What you want now?
Sup YouTubers, it's me Rockness Monster from Gameplifiers. This is basically my first video from this channel and this is Watch Dogs. So this first clipping, when you switch on or enter into the application.
Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
Alright, let's
This
do
looks
it.
good.
I'm hacking in.
The graphics are great. I did not expect something as cool as this.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data.
Is hacking so easy?
Reach out, pluck it from
I
the
know that.
sky, and it's
If it was so easy, everybody would do it.
Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds.
I'm not a hacker though, but I'm kinda sure hacking ain't so
We
easy.
are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Do you hear yourself?
Okay.
What was that?
Warning.
I think someone
Unknown
else-
device detected.
Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it.
Okay, let's find it. I'm also excited.
I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help
I don't care.
Damien,
That's what this guy
it's
is saying.
over. I'm disconnected.
The hotel looks cool though. Not so great, but it's good. Okay, so there's someone's email.
Maurice.
Okay, this kind of
You're
some
on.
sound or
One of our
some sort of
contractors
software or
is
something.
Search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
That a problem?
Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
Hey, Maurice. This guy sounds like a fixer. Ubisoft presents. You guys can read. I'm not going to tell all this. "11 months later." 11 months? What happened in the mail? I think most probably that small kid died. Oh. Guys, got to accept this graphics is great. It's great. It's actually great.
You gotta believe me, man. Who gave the order?
Don't.
You don't know.
Hit the family?
That a problem?
Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
What do you think, Maurice? Did you scare me?
job, man. I didn't know.
Who was on the other end of the call? Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
Yeah, I'll tell your name.
Oh.
Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, alright? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully. Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys... I heard stories, man, they're like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk
What if
away
I
from
don't?
this, man.
What are you gonna do about it?
You can't walk away
Please!
from...
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know.
Okay, let's shoot him. Oh, what?
Name.
What happened?
How's your memory
No
now?
bullets or something? I'm out of ammo. Okay, take down. Good.
Maurice,
Okay, what should we do next?
Daddy talked to
Hacking on his phone. I never knew hacking was so easy. So I'll take my controller anywhere I go, press square, and hacking done. I think I need to connect it to my cell phone so as to hack. So I use the camera on my cell phone and press square. I can hack into anything. That's great.
Yo, Maurice! Yo, what's shaking my...
Who's this guy?
Where the hell you been?
What?
Oh, makes sense. Who's this guy?
I leave you for 2 minutes.
Give me my bullets.
His partner?
Trust him. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I'm creating here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Huh. Come on, you're not just
Nope.
a little interested in my phone call.
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right?
Yeah.
We got 40,000 people above us.
I gotta
We need
stop
to-
talking to myself.
I called the cops.
Hey, you guys just enjoy what these people are talking, and after
So,
they're done,
Drive and
I will start
Maurice's
talking.
little band of brothers.
So you can never enjoy the game.
Jordy, tell me.
Really.
No, I called them too. Look, we got a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected.
Okay.
We'll
Sorry.
appreciate the plan tomorrow.
Great. Punctual cops. Now handle these guys. You grab Maurice, get him out of here.
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago police!
Okay, I will identify myself for sure. Hey, I am here. Identifying myself.
I got another corpse. Another viceroy.
Who the heck cares?
Victimless crime, then.
Go fast, man. Faster.
Biggest game of the season to pull this shit. Trying to ruin it, brother? Squad, we've got 2 bodies in the basement of...
Roger the polls now by Jorge Sonova, who ended with an outstanding 15-7 record last season. We're watching an epic confrontation between 2 old rivals here today, and this game couldn't be any closer. Big base steals on this team with 27 steals this series, but Sonova's
Looks like
watching
it
him like
unlocks
a
from the
hawk.
other side.
That's a pitch,
Yeah.
and it looks
Can't even do that if I connect my controller to my cell phone. Hacking the cameras.
for that one. Both
Who the heck designed hacking in this game? It could be. It'd be better if it was a little bit complicated. At least like a combo for cameras, square and circle for cell phone, square and X. That could have been great if they did that, or at least different buttons for different things to hack. Cause hacking is main thing in this game. Hack everything. Hack into someone's brain. Or do something. Huh.
Take the bait.
Good idea. People just take baits like that. I don't know. It'd be great if you could hack into people's brain, right? Wait, I can see into people's name and personal information. Am I into that brain? That's cool. I don't think so. I think the box is written CTOS and some stuff, so I think it's something related to that.
Bad boy. The police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
To the whole stadium? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the CTOS with a serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. But you'll need to find some security
Don't worry, this is not Bad Boy 17. It's Rockness Monster. So, how do you do? I can hack into anything. Why you stop me?
I got no problem with that. This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic.
Okay. This led me somewhere. So I can create a blackout. It's a blackout. Oh, that blackout. Now I know what's a blackout. I was expecting something different. Black and that stuff. What if the white people became black? This is great, actually. Fireworks and stuff.
Things are starting to look real ugly from up here. Blackout destroyed a couple arc lights we may have injured. We've got people filing onto the field. We're coordinating now with CTOS Ops to get the system back online. Bear with us.
Okay. Hey, there's Nars! Maybe let's try sitting on it next time.
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so is Maurice, but don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it, I don't care. Gotta go.
That's a lot of sirens for a blackout. Shit, something ain't right.
Maybe hide now.
Stay put.
Squad, we no longer have eyes on suspect.
Okay, I don't get one thing. The cops were supposed to fight with those gangsters and stuff. How did they find me? No one saw me and all. There's no way they saw me. How are they following me? Right here. That's crazy. Okay, let's learn to drive. I've got a license already though. Oh. Oh god. This car... Can't explain. This car... Driving this car sucks. Oh. God! This is... Wait, I didn't expect Ubisoft to create such a bad driving experience. It's Ubisoft, guys. Please, Ubisoft. You can't do this to me. Come on, please. You seriously mean this car like this, or is there something wrong with this car or something? Seriously, this sucks, and the car does not look that great too. Driving, you seriously need to get used to driving this if you wanna go with this game or something. There are better cars than this. Oh god. I think I should concentrate hard on getting out of this place. Come on. Come on. Maybe I'll show you those awesome cars. Okay, let's just go out and I will show you right now. Okay? Keep watching. Well, these were the cars that I was talking about. Look at the next one. Look at it. Does look like a normal car. These are the kind of cars that Watch Dogs has. And the one we're driving right now, this one is not so great. But it's kind of good for its shape and all, but there are better cars than this. Seriously, you need some getting used to this driving. It's so hard. Why am I taking reverse? Oh god, I'm great. My car is not totaled. I need it. People are so conservative. It is great. Nice car, right? The car is so awesome. Even though it's a pre-owned car. Okay, this is good. Okay, now, this is the motel room that he lives in. This place looks cool.
These guys, I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this.
Sure. You just said this a few minutes ago. That's his sister, right?
He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different
Told you
person.
it was his
Doesn't
sister.
mean he doesn't love us.
Okay, there's a mystery person. Okay, objective done. What's next? You get a phone call some Oh, Bad Boy 17.
Was correct. We gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this,
Do I sound like Bad Boy 17? I know I sound like,
something bigger.
but I'm gonna go back to my normal voice.
Okay, back to my normal voice. And here I am trying to select some kind of skill points that I might need. That's basically all I need. And I think we're good to go. So that's a wrap, guys. That's all for this video. See you guys in my next video. Until then, signing off. Rockness Monster from Gameplay Fires.